Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Then you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.